Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, by now, you have probably heard that 9 people get shot in Old Harbour. Yes, 9. 3 people end up dead. One of the victims them is a woman of them called Tamara. Now, the police are theorizing say a missing gun why the shooting happened. 87's ears say one of them target somebody have a problem with, them say gun gone missing and, usual fool gang politics. Them decide them a go for man at a football game. Right, so there is the best king ball field, right, ball game a go on. It was supposed to be a moment where people come together, right, enjoy some sports, have some fun. That was the moment the people them only love and idolize so much decide they would attack. Let me explain something to you. This is not an accident. They wanted to make a statement. We know say it's very easy to run a program on somebody. If you have a target, whether on ball game full of crowd, full of witnesses, it's very easy for them just have somebody watch the target, tell them when time him left, tell them which part him take, left or right, if him walk down the road, and then them kill him this. The fact that them pull up while the ball game are going and fairly shot them while people were so out in them numbers, it was to make you know say them the business. This would be more chaos, more death and destruction. When you think the 87s, they put thought into them actions, right? Of course they do. What you think, them don't know say the risk of collateral damage is high when time them attack somebody with a one ball game in a one crowd full of people. Everybody stand up shoulder to shoulder. You don't think them know that? Them know that. Them know. They just don't care. And they have no fear. They have no fear for the repercussion. Because them know say it's extremely unlikely they will be caught. And even if they're caught, it's extremely unlikely there's going to be a conviction. And them know say in the extremely unlikely scenario of them getting convicted, them not gonna do that long anyway, and while them da jail, them can literally continue them criminal enterprise. Do not think for a second that 87s, gangs, 90s, whoever in Jamaica are not aware of the fact that as a nation, Jamaica has failed to deal with crime, failed to deal with criminals. And at this point, let's just be honest. So, criminals clearly don't respect Jamaica, don't respect Jamaicans, don't respect anybody who claims them a lead or control in Jamaica. Right? As far as 87s are concerned, the people who are supposed to reel them in and prevent them from doing certain things are going for them after them with certain things. 87s look on them as weak and indecisive. But before we go any further, I want to play an audio clip. Can't play the video because some very disturbing scenes, and obviously this is YouTube, right? We put the video up on Patreon and it's probably all over the place. But I'm not gonna play the audio because we can only describe it so much. We want to hear by the people them upon the ball field moments after the shooting. We want to hear what death, pain and suffering sound like in real time, because maybe then it would register down the head how serious things are in the area, man. Because nothing out there, we lie down on the bed, comfortable at night time, I tell people, yo, it's not even that bad, man. When you talk about the good things, then you're going like, say, me go the sorry that not ever happened to me. Listen up closely. Them people just see how ugly crime and violence can be. Them people they just see a woman down on ball field, 1 minute I watch a football game, and the next minute she lie down on her back, and them spread open wide, her mouth frothing all over the place. Disturbing scenes, very ugly scenes, but they're realistic scenes. And in my opinion, when people see and hear certain things, it reach home harder. You can talk all you want. It was the scenes, it was the footage, right, from Vietnam what make enough people say no, this war must end. It was the scenes and the footage from certain things that go on in the Middle East, right, where people say no, this must end. Right. You can read all you want in the papers, 3 were killed, 2 were killed, that don't mean nothing. Those are just numbers. When you read say 5 get shot, that don't mean nothing to you. You're like, that rough. But when you see it and when you hear it, when you hear the woman in my ball, that's when you realize, no man, this serious. So while I understand that some people, right, can't deal with the graphic nature of certain things, I think it's far more effective in getting the message across. It's far more effective than anything you can read in the papers or anything you can see over there, so on a picture or a screenshot. 9 people. Even time you take out the people them where you say, well, them did mix up and him did mix up and what to the rest of them? People can go on ball game. People can go enjoy something where Jamaicans love football without fear that they're going to be caught, right, in an 87 shooting. Yes, 87 don't business about the public, but them know so the public business about them. Because when a time for them get what's coming to them, here comes the public. All kind of sad story. Wanting to understand how ridiculous the people are who continue to tell us say things not that bad. Because apparently, living in a country where 9 people get shot one time and it won't even be a 3-day story is not something alarming. And yes, you heard me right. This will not be a 3-day story. I get a little update here, so update there, so by Wednesday evening, if you're lucky, people will still remember this. Even though 9 people get shot. Telling already the Jamaicans, the culture that idolize the type of people them who do things like this, it's ugly. And until that culture, or that part of the culture, right, is eradicated, look for it continue. Them boy up on the corner, I brag them a brag. Brag them a brag. Right now, anywhere them there, 9 people will just wet up. 9. The last time I make a step, 9 people get it. In a Iron Man, a bad man place, that's a brag. How much I kill one time? 1, a 3 me kill last time. How much I shot last time? 4, a 9 me shot up last time. The more the merrier. The more people ball, the happier it is for them. Them laugh and tell us, say, yo, me say the boy more ball to till she holding a dirt dog. Yeah man, I so deal with people, man. Yeah man, I so deal with people. I say 87 deal with people. And the worst thing about 87, them don't even keep the same bad man energy straight to the end. When a time for them deal repercussion, then they want to come ball in a station, ball in a court, ball in a... I just do this and I just do that. Just do now bring back tomorrow. And before we finish the video, let me say this. Everybody have a job. Everybody have a rule. 87's job is to kill. 87's job is to extort, take over place, control things, tell you where you can go where you say you can't link with. That's the 87's job. The job of the authorities, the job of the leaders, right, is to neutralize the 87, take him off of the street in one way, shape or form. It's not the 87's fault that they do their jobs better than the powers that be. Let me say that one more time. It's not criminals' fault that they are better at them job than your favorite leaders. Because at them job that. 87's job description is not for save lives. It's not for heal the sick. The man them say them bust head. The man them see them pull up and anybody them see can get it. 87 deliver upon them job description perfectly. It's just that your favorite leaders, the powers that be, the authorities, can't deliver and for them. If them lock up the man them, they can't get conviction. If them get conviction, but as me say, as unfortunate as it sounds, 3-day story. The Jamaican public, Jamaican powers that be, don't actually care about this. None of these people are celebrities. None of these people are considered quote unquote somebody in the eyes of the public. Because we see how we react when it happened to somebody who we think are somebody. Even if that somebody was also knee deep in the badness, we still have more sympathy for them than somebody like Tamara. I hope this video made you feel uncomfortable. People telling them things I like say, oh boy, I don't know them things that happen. We all know this happen. If I see what happen when somebody touch electricity, then draw them hand fast. Because what them feel uncomfortable. It's not nice. When somebody touch fire, then draw them hand fast. It's not comfortable or nice. It look like the aesthetic culture is too nice for you. So still don't mind. Until you see it, how ugly it is, and it becomes uncomfortable, like electricity or fire, and you draw on the hand from it fast, nothing not gonna change. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Culture squad, see you circling. Bless.